In rib crocheting, we combine single crochet stitches and purl single crochet stitches. However, you can also use half double or double crochet stitches instead of single crochet stitches. First, let me explain about half double crochet. When you make a half double crochet stitch, you move the hook and thread toward you, like in a single crochet. When you make a purl half double crochet stitch, you move the hook and the thread to the other side. Combining half double crochet stitches with purl half double crochet stitches will allow you to create rib crocheting. The basic procedure is the same as for single crochet, but there is one thing to note. Generally, when working back and forth with half double crochet stitches, you crochet 2 turning chain stitches and count them as one half double crochet stitch. However, when working back and forth on half double crochet stitches in rib crocheting, you only work 1 stitch in the turning chain, which does not count as a stitch. In a word, it is the same as the case of single crochet fabric. When crocheting in the round, as in the case of single crochet, crochet 1 chain stitch at the beginning of the row. And consider it together with a slip stitch at the end of the row as 1 stitch. Next, I will explain about double crochet. The basic rules are the same as ever. When crocheting a double crochet stitch, move the hook and thread towards you. Crocheting a purl double crochet stitch, move the hook and thread away from you. You can create rib crocheting by combining double crochet stitches and purl double crochet stitches, but as with half double crochet, you need to be careful with the beginning chain. For double crochet, crochet 2 chain stitches at the beginning of the row. If you are crocheting back and forth, you do not count these 2 stitches as one stitch. If you are crocheting in the round, you count the 2 chain stitches and the slip stitch together as one stitch. Here are some rib crocheted squares measuring 10 cm by 10 cm. All of them are entirely compressed state. In the case of single crochet fabric, there are 36 stitches x 14 rows. In the case of half double crochet fabric, there are 28 stitches x 11 rows. In the case of double crochet fabric, there are 28 stitches x 8 rows. I can stretch any fabric to about twice its original length, but the single crochet fabric has the highest force to return to its original length. It is also important to note that half double crochet and double crochet fabrics have noticeable gaps when stretched. However, it requires fewer stitches than single crochet fabric to save on yarn usage. You can use half double crochet stitches or double crochet stitches if you don't need to worry about shrinkage or gaps. If you combine several kinds of stitches, you can create a decorative effect. Combining stitches of different heights is unique to crocheting, and if you use it well, you can make something interesting. Thank you for watching.